Hello and welcome back to another one of my mindfulness meditation sessions. I'm Beth and I'm both a yoga instructor and a clinical psychologist. So today I'm offering another bit of reflection and reading using Sharon Salzberg's book. It's right here and I'll link to it below. It's Loving Kindness. So loving kindness or metta meditation is a special kind of meditation. It's reflecting on sending compassion, caring, love to ourselves and also out to the rest of the world. So today we're going to focus on cultivating this metta or loving kindness for ourselves. And the next meditation that I offer will talk about sending that out. So I'm going to read a few things from Sharon's book, and then we'll take some time for a quiet reflection on those things. So first of all, and I'm reading from the chapter on Relearning Loveliness, she talks a little bit about the development of metta meditation, and she says, the Buddha first taught the metta meditation as an antidote to fear, as a way of surmounting terrible fear when it arises. And that's on page 20. And so I think that that's really appropriate for what we're all going through in life right now. And then on the next page, page 21, she says, what unites us all as human beings is an urge for happiness, which at heart is a yearning for union, for overcoming our feelings of separateness. We want to feel our identity with something larger than our small selves. We long to be one with our own lives and with each other. So in order to do that, she suggests some different phrases that we can say to ourselves. I'm going to focus on two of those phrases today. The first two, actually. May I be free from danger, and may I have mental happiness. So I'll talk very briefly about some ways that you can adapt these to your own situation right now, and then we will go on to do the meditation. So what Sharon says about may I be free from danger, she says there is a nightmarish quality to a life without safety. And so we are all experiencing that to some extent right now. So offering some phrases to yourself of may I be free from danger, or you can alter that to may I have safety, or may I have freedom from fear. I'll be using may I be free from danger. And then the second phrase that we'll use today, may I have physical happiness. Again, it's that idea that all beings everywhere, we all want to be happy. But this can also include, may I be healthy, may I be healed, may I embody love and understanding. So there are many different facets of this. Today, I'm going to be using the phrase, may I be healthy. So the two phrases then that we'll be using is, may I be free from danger, may I be healthy. Find a comfortable seat. Release your gaze or close your eyes, whatever is comfortable. Tune into your breath. And tune into the quiet space in your life. Even if there's mental chatter, which there inevitably will be, look for the quiet space. Perhaps the brief pause between breaths. And then we'll take a moment, or a few moments to reflect on those phrases. So starting with the first, send a wish to yourself. May I be free from danger. Repeat that phrase in your head softly. May I be free from danger. You're welcome to alter that however makes sense for you. Staying with that same basic concept, may I be free from danger. May I be safe. May I have safety. This is a true, genuine wish for yourself. be free from danger. Continue to repeat that first phrase to yourself softly. Pause for a few more moments with this first wish for ourselves. May I be free from danger. And then keeping that first wish for yourself, we will move on to the second phrase. May I be healthy. Quietly, softly repeat to yourself, may I be healthy. Again, you're welcome to use any variations on this phrase. May I have physical health. May I be mentally well. May I be free from illness. May I be healthy. Gently reflecting to yourself, may I be healthy. Feel the sense of warmth toward yourself as you share this wish for yourself. May I be healthy. Maybe one last time, repeat both of those wishes to yourself. May I be free from danger. May I be healthy. I invite you to repeat these wishes to yourself throughout the day. You can do this when you rise in the morning. Take a few moments to express metta to yourself before you go to bed at night. And then join me for the next meditation when we'll take those phrases that we cultivated today and we will send them out to the world. But compassion must always start with ourselves. So I hope that these two simple phrases, may I be safe, may I be healthy, do help you to start identifying, connecting with some of the self-compassion. I wish you safety and health. Have a good day, and thank you for joining me.